The NextFlow Vortex Tube is an amazing device powered solely by compressed air. It takes compressed air in one end, spins it inside itself, allowing one end of the vortex tube to expel a small amount of compressed air, which gets hot, while the other end, usually the majority of the volume, gets very, very cold. Temperatures down to minus 40 degrees Celsius or 40 degrees Fahrenheit are possible in many situations, although normally it is utilized only around 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. There is no moving parts to a vortex tube, driven by air, not electricity. They are small and lightweight, extremely portable, and certainly low in cost compared to anything else that could produce such refrigeration effect or cold temperatures. Due to the high tolerances and manufacturing proprietary design by NextFlow, we have very high quality. Maintenance is pretty much negligible on a vortex tube. All it requires is good filtration to keep out any moisture and oil or dirt. NextFlow vortex tubes are manufactured of durable stainless steel. Generators, which actually cause the air to spin, are made of brass, not plastic. Plastic over time can get brittle, can break, gets dirty very easily. The brass is very easily cleanable and certainly much more durable. The hot end of the vortex tube, which allows the air out at that end, is adjustable, simply utilizing a screwdriver. An accessory muffler can be supplied, allowing you to hand adjust that hot end as well. So the temperature range can be adjusted by simply controlling that hot end part. Generators which spin the air are designed for different capacities and even for different temperature ranges. They can be easily interchanged. Vortex tubes are packaged for very special applications to make it easy for customers and preset for certain applications, such as tool coolers, which are utilized in dry machining operations. A mist cooler version where we actually cool lubricant, which is used for cooling, or coolant, which can be also utilized for lubrication and cooling. And the most popular is for cabinet enclosure coolers or panel cooling. This is utilized in areas especially which are very hot and very dirty, where there's a lot of high maintenance with traditional air conditioners, or where they simply do not hold up very well due to the environment, where the vortex tube operated devices hold up extremely well, virtually maintenance free. Vortex tubes are simple in design, long lasting, low cost, and durable.